Hey, in front of me is Poco F4 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, select Open. Now, thanks to this free app, you can find out all the information about your Poco's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!